What's up guys, and welcome back to another video right into my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna basically tell you how to improve your FPS in Warzone. So basically FPS boost guide step by step. So before we start right into the video guys, I just want to let you guys know that I would really appreciate it if you would just leave a like, a comment or a subscription right onto my YouTube channel. It would really mean the world to me. So before we start into the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button guys. I'll thank you for that now, and let's get right started. So the first thing you want to basically do is open up your folders and go to this PC. Once you're here, you click it with right click and go to properties. Once you're here, you can basically go to change settings, and then you go to advanced. Once you're here, you go to settings, and now the first thing you want to basically do is adjust for best performance. So you click that and hit apply afterwards. So you be sure that, or you make sure that your PC is basically having the best optimal performance for your system. Once you finish that, you can close this one and navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where it says Windows and Settings. Afterwards, you go to System and you stick around to the first one, Display, where you're gonna basically check if you have 100% on scale out and your display resolution is the native resolution for the game. Once you're finished here, you can basically go to notifications and actions and be sure that this is turned off. Why this should be turned off? Because you don't want any big ass messages popping in right into your game while you're in a gunfight or something else, because this takes performance to render and it's really annoying. So be sure to just turn this off. The next thing you want to do is go to power and sleep, and here you can't really do anything. You just want to go additional power settings right here. And now you should just go to high performance. So just click on high performance, and this will actually make your PC quite faster. But it could also lead to overheating or getting your PC too loud. So just check on that. And if it gets too loud, just solve it in some other way or turn this to balanced again. Once you finish here, you can basically close this one and go to storage. Why you're gonna go to storage, I'll explain you that quite as so now you just hit configure storage sense or run it, and now you just copy my settings. You don't need to copy my settings, but it's a recommendation. For me, it's working really well. It just helps you to just blow out every single temporary file that you don't really use or need to use. So it just occupies storage and sucks performance. So this settings will ensure that your temporary files will be blown out of your system regularly. So it will basically make your PC faster, and afterwards you hit everything. You can also hit clean now, so it will clean your space now. Once you did that, you can basically go back and also go back another time. And once you're here, you can basically go to gaming and be sure that your game bar is turned off. You don't really need it in game, and it also sucks only performance. Now you go to the next thing, captures. This one is really important because this one sucks a lot of performance if it's turned on. If it's turned on, be sure to hit just turn it off, because firstly, if you want to record a game, you don't really gonna use Windows recording for that. You're gonna basically use something else or a higher quality program for that. And if it's running in the background, you can basically you will know that it will suck a lot of performance. So just click off or turn it off. And the next thing you want to do is game mode, and here it depends if you have AMD or NVIDIA. If you have NVIDIA, turn it on. If you have AMD, turn it off. But it's also really specific for your system, so just you have to try which one is better for your system. If you finish here, you can basically go back and now hit update in security. Here you're just gonna check if you have the latest version of Windows, so you can come along with upcoming updates and be at the top of your performance. Close this one, and now you're basically gonna check if you have the latest drivers of your graphics card. If you have AMD or NVIDIA, be sure to download the last version of your graphics card in order to have the top performance for your game. The last thing you want to basically do is you go to Task Manager, close every single program which is actually sucking performance in the background, so you can basically focus on your game, and afterwards you hit startup and do the same thing. So just disable every single auto start program which you're not using currently in order to increase your performance in game. So you can close this one. That was the last thing you can do. Yeah guys, I hope I could actually help you out with this one. If it was like that, just leave a like, a comment, or a subscription right onto my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. If you have questions, put it in the comments. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you at the next one. Bye.